So my name is Guillaume de Mevius. I come from Belgium, and my new job is to drive with the junior Red Bull team with the OT3. It's a big opportunity to have Red Bull on my head, on my car. It's like a dream, a child dream. So it's a big opportunity to come to start with a team like this, to start with all the experience that the people have here. So really happy, and I'm really looking forward to try to make good things. I know I'm good in mechanic because it's my job during the normal years. When I'm in Belgium, I'm a mechanic guy, so I'm good in this, and for sure I'm good in driving. I came from a rally, so I have a lot of skill for this kind of race here in Andalusia. I have to learn more in the sand. That's my job now, to learn the sand, but I think that's my skill. For sure I have to learn the discipline. I don't know everything, so I don't have all in my hand to know if it's the best or not, but I think for sure it's the best. And all the teammates, I just met them this morning, so I don't know yet the people, but I think they are very nice. I was myself impressed with my performance in Porto Alegre. It was really, I was surprised, really happy for sure. And yes, I always love the cross country and how do you say, the background race. I did a lot of motorbike, of ATV, quad. So I always like this, and it was my first time in a race like this. So I was a little bit surprised of the performance, and at the end very happy. It was more difficult than Portugal, for sure, because I never did in the dune before. But with the car it was easy. With the T3 car it was quite easy to manage. But I have to learn a lot. My co-driver was my old co-driver from rally, so also for him it was new. So we lost at the beginning, and then we followed the other guy and we learned. And after 4 days it was very good. It's very important for me to have Tom with a lot of experience, Belgium guy, so we know each other. We have the same. Yeah, we know everybody. We know how to work, so it's good. Very important for me to have him. Yeah, for sure. My dad gave me a lot of advice since the beginning of my career in rally. Now I come back to Rally Red, and he had also a lot of advice for me. So for sure I talk a lot with my father, with my brother, who is doing also a lot of races, rally and Rally Red. So I have a lot of luck to have them, and they can advise me. I think for me the biggest challenge is the endurance. I have to change my mind. I know I don't have to push all the time. I don't have to. It's like it's a very long race. Even here it's 4 days. So okay, it's not very long compared to the other race, but it's quite long also for me. So I have to. This is the most important for me. The big key is to learn to have the good rhythm, not too fast, not too slow, and keep the car in one piece and going to the end. For me, I expect to. It's quite like a rally here. The roads are more like a rally, so I hope I will be confident with the car until the first stage, and I will try to be fast and to win the rally. Donc, je m'appelle Guillaume de Mevius, je viens de Belgique, j'habite à Bruxelles, et mon nouveau job c'est de rouler en ET3 avec le Red Bull Junior Team. Ouais, c'est sûr que c'est une très grosse opportunité pour moi. J'ai été assez surpris dès le début de l'année d'avoir été appelé par d'abord Overdrive, après Red Bull. Et c'est vraiment une grosse opportunité de pouvoir évoluer avec des sportifs Red Bull qui ont beaucoup d'expérience. Et toute l'équipe a beaucoup d'expérience, donc c'est vraiment. Je suis très content d'être là et de pouvoir rouler avec eux. Je sais que j'ai mon expérience en rallye qui est bonne pour le team, parce que ici, par exemple en Andalousie, les chemins sont très représentatifs de ce qu'on peut avoir en rallye. Donc déjà ça c'est un un de mes atouts. Et après, je suis bon en mécanique aussi, donc j'espère que ça pourra aider pendant les courses. Je me sentais assez relax après les trois courses. C'était vraiment du fun pour moi d'aller rouler au Portugal et puis à Hale. Donc j'étais vraiment assez relax et c'était vraiment très chouette juste pour apprendre. Et maintenant ici je me sens aussi un peu relax et j'ai envie d'apprendre, j'ai envie d'être performant mais sans trop avoir de pression sur moi. Donc je suis assez cool avec ça. Non, c'est super important pour moi d'avoir Tom Colsoul à mes côtés parce qu'il a beaucoup d'expérience et j'ai besoin d'un mec comme ça à ma droite pour pouvoir me donner des conseils et apprendre le plus vite possible la discipline. Donc je suis très content d'avoir tout un équipage belge. L'équipe est belge, la voiture est belge et Tom Colsoul à ma droite est belge aussi. Donc ça fait tout un beau package réuni.